Hi again and welcome to another video of DIY stories. So this is probably one of the easiest upgrades I've made to my pond. And I didn't expect it to make this much difference. No wiring, no electricity. So this is a solar fountain plus pond filter from poposoap. You can find this product on Amazon, Walmart, and poposoap official website. I will also share links in the description of the video. So the idea is pretty simple. It runs completely on solar power and at the same time it works as a pond filter. So instead of just having a fountain for looks, this actually does something useful as well. So without wasting any time, let's get into this product. So first of all, we get the user manual. Do read it for assembling and safety instruction. Next, we have a powerful 680 GPH solar water pump. I must say the quality of the pump is amazing. After that, we have two types of filter pads. One is coarse filter pad and other one is fine filter pad. Then we can see an extension wire. This can be helpful if you want to place your solar panel far away from the pond. Now we can see a telescopic rod and also some fountain nozzle. Let's keep them aside for now. Last but not the least, we have this beautiful filter box. Let's open it. This filter box has lock hooks on all the four sides. First, we can see some good quality ceramic rings. Then we can see some pump adapters and water flow controller. After that, we have some biological balls. Let's keep this filter box aside and see what else we have in the box. And lastly, we have this 70-watt solar panel. At the back, we can see specifications of the solar panel and two side stands so that you can easily make it stand in any angle you want. Let's keep the solar panel aside and try to assemble the filter. First, we adjust the water pump and then we will put the filter media. Bio balls are already in the box. Then let's put ceramic rings. And after that, we will put the filter pads. This is a control valve which can control flow rate of the water. This is a telescopic rod which is adjustable, and you can adjust it according to the height of your pond. Then connect the fountain nozzle to it, and that's it. We are ready to put the filter in our pond. Setup was honestly very straightforward. Drop the filter box into the pond wherever you feel better. Once the filter reaches the bottom, simply adjust the height of the rod and nozzle. Now you just place the solar panel where it gets direct sunlight. No tools, no complicated steps. And finally, just connect the solar panel cord to the water pump. And here we go, the fountain is running. So basically what's happening is the pump pulls water through the filter media, which helps remove dirt and debris, and at the same time pushes clean water out as a fountain. It also has adjustable flow in different spray styles, so you can change how it looks. In terms of performance, the flow is actually pretty strong. It's rated around 680 gallons per hour, so for small to medium ponds, it's more than enough. And visually, it just makes the pond look way more alive. Overall, I like it. It's simple, doesn't take much effort, and it actually improves both the look and the water. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to order yours. I have shared links in the description of the video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.